Good morning everyone. Today we are doing worksheet of chapter 2. Let's we start from question 1. If we add 4 tens, 5 ones and 600, then the result is 4 tens plus 5 ones, 5 ones plus 600. 600. 100 is bigger place of ones and tens, so we will put 100, ones, tens and 100 places. 600 we will write below 106 and there is 4 tens. We will write below tens 4, 5 ones, 5 ones. So answer is 645. I am repeating again, 4 tens, 5 ones and 600. First we will put the places according to the given places. Ones, tens and 100. There is 106, tens 4 and ones 5. So our answer is 645. Now part B. The ones digit in the sum of 2495 and 4173. Sum 2495 and 4173. Sum. What is the means of sum? Join the number या total of the number. First we will put the places ones, tens, 100 and 1000. 2495 plus 4173. Now there is asking sum of ones. Ones digit in the sum of. So what are the sum here? 5 and 3. 8. 8 is the answer of this question. Only there is asking sum of ones. Sum of ones is 8. Now part C. Part C is 300. 300 plus dash equal to 800. If there is in the question blank is on right hand side and answer is given 800. So if there is an answer 800, we will subtract 300 minus 800 minus 300. 800 minus 300. So 005. 500 is the answer. 500 is answer. Now we will check 300 plus 500. 800 equal to 800. D part. On adding 1000 to a number, the digit is place increased by 1. On adding 1000 to a number, the digit is at dash place increased by 1. So 1 place once decrease by ones. If we add 1000 plus 1, decrease here ones place is 1. So answer is ones. Now part E. Part E is 50 plus 70 plus blank equal to 150. First again we have given the answer 150. We will add both numbers 50 plus 70 and subtract from 150. 50 plus 70 120 and subtract 150 120 from 150 from 120. 0 3 0. What is the answer here? 30. So 30 is, if we add these numbers, we got again 150. So 150 is equal to 150. Now next question is F part. In a garden there are 1800 coconut tree, 1000 mango tree, 400 papaya tree. How many trees are there in all? I have told to you in previous classes fact of the addition. All together, join, and more than. These are there are we will do add. And there is asking in all. So coconut trees are coconuts tree. How many? 1800. 1800s are cocoa tree. Papaya tree. Papaya tree are 400. And mango tree. Mango trees are 1000. Now total trees are there equal to 0, 0, 8 or 4, 12, 12 of 2 carry over 1. Total trees are there 3200. Now next question is Rima sold 28 toffees and 45 chocolates. Veena sold 18 toffees and 54 chocolates. Who sold more toffees and chocolates? रीमा ने कितनी टॉफी बेची 28 एंड चॉकलेट 45. वीना ने 18 टॉफी एंड चॉकलेट 54. Who sold more toffees and chocolates? First, we will write the statement of this question. Toffees and chocolate sold by Rima. Sold by Rima. How many? 28 and first we will write toffee sold by Rima 28. Chocolates sold by toffees and chocolate. We will write 28 and 45. 45. Chocolate and toffees sold by Veena. How many? 18 and 54. 18 and 54. So how many chocolates are sold by Rima 28? 45 and toffees are sold 28 and toffees are sold by Veena 18. Chocolates sold by Veena 54. Who sold 28 plus 45? First we will add 28 chocolates, toffees plus 45 chocolates. How many sold? 30 and 4 to 6 or 73 total Rima sold. And toffee and chocolates 73. Again toffee sold by Veena 18 plus 54. How many? 38 or 4, 12, 6 or 7. 72. 73 toffee and chocolate sold by Rima and 72 chocolates and toffee sold by Veena. Who sold more? किसने ज्यादा बेची? Rima sold 73 toffees and chocolate. Now, students, I hope you have understood and do practice of this exercise worksheet. And thank you and have a nice day.